Yeah, I had to do a little bit of tweaking on the carb. Here you go, Dan. This is the plug wire. It's a little shot. I'm doing a video. The actual conductive part of that wire is a little bit down there, so I mean I could strap it, but yeah, we need a new plug wire for sure. Maybe get a nice NGK one and just be done with it. The problem is it's got to be this diameter, otherwise it won't screw into the coil. So, brake on. Let's turn the switch on. Idle's a little low. The oil pump seems to be working, brakes working. We'll have to put the chain back on and test the load. So I'll say that again, the oil pump does seem to be working. And yeah, just getting there. Need a new plug wire. I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes, so this video is done. Woohoo!